and the health 3000, this 4000. Yeah, and colors of level 2, colors of fine grinder. Yeah, the color. So let's go. And you thought that how did I buy this vehicle? I bought this vehicle by how? Yeah, in one of the offer this vehicle came for 1.3 million. I bought like that. The whole Shinglong just cost 6 lakh. So I'll go in the top speed in the desert. Yeah, over here I'll go. This vehicle is so easy to control, and this vehicle, you see the sound of the vehicle, and with the suit also this thing is like suit, like it's fit for the suit. It's going fast. I want to take a turn over here. This is so fast. Now controlling for taking turns and all, this is little bit bad, but going driving straight and all, this is easy. The health is 4000. Yeah, and this vehicle can go as fast as it can. Let's try to do a stunt. No. I'll do it over on this side. This vehicle is so big. Yeah. But for taking turns, this vehicle is so bad. Not so bad, but it's still little bit bad. But it's so fast. And one of my another favorite vehicle is, and with this vehicle you could kill people. Like for this idiot. He's coming to attack me. Shotgun level 1 I got. Oh, Palisade game. I don't know how it's level 3 and 2. It may be so fast. And for this vehicle it's so fast. Yeah. Yeah, thank you and please subscribe.